for today will be coming from Starbucks. I'm gonna order it on my app and I'm gonna go inside to pick it up. Today's iced coffee is a white mocha macadamia cold brew. And I'm enjoying. My AC is on, the iced coffee is iced, cold, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. Mama requested for me to buy pastries and bread at the Chinese bakery. So, because their bread is very good. They have like this milk bread that's soft. Kind of reminds us of the bread that we usually buy at the Philippines. So hopefully they still have bread and siopao left because it's already 2 o'clock. So they usually run out very quickly. So hopefully they still have for me to buy. You still have buns? What do you have?
Combination roast pork.
Can I get 2 roast pork and 2 combination?
2 roast pork, 2 combination.
Yeah.
Right?
小微多冷多点。
They had roast pork buns and they had combination buns, which is like a combination of chicken and vegetables. And this is one of my mom's favorite snacks in the afternoon. See that? And I also bought rainbow bread. Well, that's the name of the bakery. White bread at Rainbow Bakery. Secured and off to mother. Found parking, so I decided to make a pit stop at Dunkin' Donuts and buy mother a cold drink. Just because. Why not? Right? Why not? She likes the ice frappuccino kind of drink, so that's what we'll get for her. Two small caramel cappuccino blast.
And his cream on the top?
Yeah.
Donut?
No more.
Make one, I give you one free.
Just an old fashioned. Got a caramel cappuccino blast for my mom. And just in case, I got one for Uncle Boy. And the lady, she was like, "Do you want a donut?" I said no. She's like, "Pick one, I'll give it to you for free." So I got two old-fashioned donuts, so I can give that to Uncle Boy as well. So that's going to be our afternoon snack when I get to the office. Yeah. When I was younger, I used to call this red chicken. I used to call any meat chicken. Red chicken. But it's roast pork. Mother's over here enjoying her shopbomb. Well, there's also a patient talking to her. I don't know where Uncle Boy is. But he's also eating his shop. No, he's in his office.